Burhan on the left is not only the head of the Sudanese armed forces, he's the head of Transitional Council, and his deputy is Dagalo on the right. So now he's at war with his deputy. You understand? The idea was that the RSF, this paramilitary group that belongs to Dagalo on the right, would be integrated into the Sudanese armed forces. Okay, so they would become part of the regular army. Dagalo got the feeling that once the RSF are integrated into the Sudanese armed forces, that he's basically going to be eliminated. There's a power struggle going on here. These guys are fighting. So who benefits from this? Just ask yourself this question. I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying. You have to remember, this is the Red Sea we're talking about. The Red Sea. This place right here. This is not just a nice place to sail your boat. This is the most vital shipping lane on the planet. On the planet. And everyone wants to have a foothold here. From an economic side, there's gold, there's uranium. You know, China and Russia, yeah, they're interested in mining in Sudan. Africa has 54 countries, and in 50 of those countries, the Americans have military attaches. The thing is that because the Americans do it, the Chinese and the Russians are looking at it, if we don't do anything, we're going to get screwed. And so now the Russians have to go and put a base on the Red Sea. Now, in the case of Sudan, the Russians are exchanging weapons for a naval base, right? But they have said, we will not go ahead until the people of Sudan have formed a government. You should always ask yourself who stands to gain from the situation, and then you'll see things more clearly, with more clarity.